This program is coming at a perfect time because we have exponential growth in the residential and commercial sectors in Fort Bend County and the greater Houston area. The electrical construction industry involves the installation, repair, and maintenance of a building's electrical system. This is essential because no facility can function without an electrical infrastructure. For me, having the opportunity to help build the electrical construction program from the ground up, it's just an amazing opportunity. My hope was always to be able to get into a position to where I can also share my knowledge with others. So I'm super excited about that. And I know I will be helping educate students and change the future of Fort Bend County and Texas as a whole. Our graduates have the opportunity to go work for contractors in both the residential, commercial, and industrial space. So they can go and work in hospitals, they can work in schools, they can work in some of these subdivisions, building houses. These are the paths that they can take. What I would say to someone interested in starting this program is, the more you know, the more you will grow. Come help me light up Fort Bend. My name is Keysha Fonteneaux, and I am an instructor in the electrical construction program at Texas State Technical College.